Hello, you're looking at the home page for Introduction to Experimental Psychology. First, you should notice the section for announcements. In your home page each week, you'll see My Announcements and you can also review all announcements by clicking the word on the left menu. You should review announcements every time you visit your course shell. Important information and resources will be provided each week pertaining to the material specifically for that week. Notice as you move down the left menu, you don't see Kaiser Live. We have begun using a new tool called Kaltura. So when you wish to join for live sessions, scroll down and you'll see the Kaltura Live link. When you click this link, you will enter the live session. A meeting has not started yet, but if it had, it would be available to you. This is also where you would find recordings. Additionally, I will be making it easy for you by posting the link to live sessions in announcements and also posting the recorded live sessions embedded within each of the weeks, the week modules that have a link on the left menu as well. So let's look there first. Week 1. As you scroll down, you'll see that you have many resources, guides to exactly what is due each week and when. Generally, we have the same cycle of doing a reading assignment, reviewing the lectures that I provide, and then posting your initial discussion post early. A Wednesday or Thursday will be fine, but it should be posted as soon as possible so that other classmates have time to read it and respond. The second reply discussion posts are due by Sunday at the end of the week, and your written assignment is also due by Sunday. You should also complete your PreTest and your certification for the course. The PreTest provides assessment data for us. You have a post-test at the end of the course. Your performance on the PreTest does not translate to a specific grade. It's data that we're collecting in order to assess our performance as instructors for you. So if you continue to scroll down the weekly modules, you'll see that you have description of what you need to do each week. Notice that the resources link will give you access to PowerPoints that come with the textbook. They are similar to what I use for the live sessions. And then the discussion. Notice the rubric, the detailed rubric that's provided. Pay attention to the requirements that are needed to earn all of the points for your discussion posts. And then notice your weekly assignment. The word itself, where it says week 1 assignment, that is a link, and that is pressing on that link will allow you to attach a document and submit. When you do a discussion post, you will be submitting in a text box, but when you submit an assignment, it should be as a Word attachment, because in this course, not only are we learning research methods, material, and how research design works, you'll also be practicing APA style format, and each of the papers you should submit will be expected to be in APA format. Notice that I've provided model documents for you. Please remember to download and use the models that I provided. Not only will it help make APA format easy, it will also give you a quick view of what material is required in each section of the paper. And notice a hanging indent guide. As you get into creating a reference page for the first time in APA format, there's a requirement that it's formatted with what's called a hanging indent, which can be a little challenging. And so what I've provided is specific guide for using Word and using Word's settings to make that happen easily for you. Okay, here is a further description of the assignment that's provided, as well as the way in which it will be graded. Notice that there's also forward-looking material in this module. You're not taking your midterm exam in week 1, but you're provided with an exam review so that you can organize your time and your focus and understanding what you need to have ready for your midterm exam in week 2. You also have an overview of the final paper. The final project is put together from pieces that you are submitting each week. And so this gives you an overview of what you are doing at the end of the course and how it will be graded. Notice that each week there's also a summary of the material from your textbook that provides another way for you to organize the information that you need to learn. Once live sessions are held, I will be posting the recording as an embedded video right in front of the summaries of each week's modules. So you would go there and be able to easily click. I record in chunks by topics, so it should be easy for you to review or find information that you're specifically looking for. Now, the last thing I want to discuss with you is your feedback and your grades. So if you go to the section called My Grades, then you get a quick view of everything that you've completed so far and the points that you earned. And although you can't see it in this view, there are 2 ways you need to be sure to look for feedback. Aside from the points, there will be a text bubble that will give you my overview comments. And if it's a paper that you've submitted, the paper itself will become, the title to the paper here in My Grades will become a link. And you should be sure to press that link because it will allow you to review the inline comments that I've made on your paper. And I spend a great deal of effort giving you feedback so that each time you submit part of your final project, you can improve upon it and make sure that your final project is the best that it can be.